After the acquisition of Chelsea by Todd Boehly and Clearly Capital, you can remember then Todd Boehly was the sporting director. He was making signings like Aubameyang and the likes of Koulido Koulibaly. So we are sending some top players to come into Chelsea, try to replicate the win with the winning mentality, because the Todd Boehly wanted Chelsea to continue that winning streak. He wanted Chelsea to always go on to win trophies, so that he can be the face, and once the fans base also to feel, yes, we are comfortable with this kind of transition, and we are not going to deviate from our tradition of winning trophies and signing big players. That was Todd Boehly's mindset. But when Kelly got saw this model is not going to be profitable for them, I believe they have a roundtable talk, and they decided that Clearlake would be in charge. So when Clearlake took over, Todd Boehly stepped out a little bit, allowed Clearlake to take over. That was when we now see Edbali and Feliciano, those two other ownership that is always close to Todd Boehly. Todd Boehly is the face. Edbali is the financial power. Remember, Edbali is in charge of Clearlake Capital, which is an investment fund. So when those two take over, you can see what we are doing. They went to go and sign two sporting directors to replicate what they were doing in their previous clubs. Identify young talent, grow them up, increase their PI, sell them and make more money. So that was how they got Paul Stewart from Brighton and one other sporting director from the Bundesliga league, which I cannot really remember right now. So they got these two sporting directors to come and oversee the affair of Chelsea. This was not a problem to Thomas Tuchel. Remember, this was a problem to Thomas Tuchel. Thomas Tuchel would not like to be controlled or to not just have say in the transfer market. So when Thomas Tuchel lost that game against Dynamo Zagreb, they handed him his sack letter. According to him, he said, according to Thomas Tuchel, he said the club is not going to the direction which according to what he said, say him as the manager and the owner, they are on a different pages. They are not on the same pages about the club about the future of the club. You understand? So this was what Thomas Tuchel said why he left Chelsea. I know this really hurts me the most to see Thomas Tuchel leaving, but nevertheless, Todd Boehly stepped down for Clearly to take over. So after that, what happened next?